So welcome to another round. 5 minutes of typing today. Some Java development. Let's go. Come on. What we are doing?
Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Hey, I finally managed to find some time to join you.
Oh, nice.
Have you been streaming a lot? I just I don't know. I had like over 30 years of not sleep. Sorry, years, not years. 30 hours of not sleeping, and then I finally managed to get 1 hour of sleeping. And then I woke up, but I'm more rested now. So I don't know. How are you?
I'm good. I'm working on the stopwatch application. It's kind of I already see the end in the horizon of that. I mean, successful completion of that. And it kind of makes me happy because I was trying to find out some application which would do that for me. I found something, but it's not perfect, and now I'm able to create that application for myself, which is nice.
That's good. That's nice. This is kind of like one of the things I was saying, that like if you work on projects, like it will not only be more useful, but also like make you happy, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I don't know.
True.
Like I haven't worked on any project for days. I think I'm just looking at the abstract levels right now. I want to write some code soon, you know, again. Maybe do some Glacier code or something.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to play something later today?
Yeah, we can. What would you like to play?
I don't know. Maybe we can see later. Obviously, Unreal is an option, and Risk Global Offensive, or what the fuck is called, is also an option, right?
Yeah.
And I don't know what else we play together.
You mentioned the... How is that with the blue and orange Portal?
Oh yeah. Oh Jesus, I want to play that with you. Which one do you have? Which one do you want to play?
I have 1 and 2, I think, and I think the second one is the one which you can play with another person, right?
Okay, I'll have a look right now to see how much it costs to purchase it.
Okay, so I will install it. It's not installed on my machine right now, so install next. Okay, so
Yeah.
it's installing.
Okay, but please do not get too hyped, because, like as I said, I'm like playing at the end of the day, so like if you're gonna play, probably we're gonna be like later, like maybe in 2 to 3 hours, or maybe even 4.
Yeah, sure, don't worry about it. It may happen, it might not. I will be not angry.
Okay, cool. Just telling you, like this is like my daily schedule. So first work and then play, you know.
Yeah.
And I mean, and some days actually I won't get any play because I'm so absorbed by work that I won't get to play anything. So, but yeah, I think we'll be able to play something later if you're available. So yeah, I'll try to purchase and install it now. Let's see. I'm watching right now this this girl that joined my stream, and she's playing something called Call of Duty Cold War, and it looks pretty cool. It's kind of like CS:GO, but it also has like a single player campaign, and the movement seems to be faster. I might wanna purchase that, to be honest. And like this morning, I wanted to purchase it, but I couldn't because it was on Battle.net, and I have like an issue with the Battle.net account. But I purchased City Skylines. Do you know that game or
Wait,
see it or something? Cities Skylines.
Sounds familiar, but I don't know what it is. Is the one where you build cities?
Yep, it's that one. It's kind of like SimCity. If you ever played SimCity?
I think I saw videos online. People playing it on YouTube.
Yeah, same. I think I've seen YouTube videos of it or something like that. And I think it's one of the best right now. You know, it's kind of like SimCity, but very, very modern.
Yeah, it looks like SimCity on steroids.
Yeah, I didn't get to play it at all this morning. I just like launched it and then like something like I got rated by Call of Creation, and I think he rated me to like almost with almost 30 viewers. So I basically had to stop playing, and I talked about the startup, and I talked about hiring, and like it's I don't know. It was starting, but I couldn't play the game anymore because I knew the people that joined were actually interested in programming. So I couldn't.
Yeah, so I will respond to my chat. Hello, Shabazz Elbey. Yes, Java Time API, the new one after Java 8 or 9. Yeah, come again. You were saying I was kind of distracted for the last few seconds. What you were saying? You did buy the new Skyline, right? It's the one on the steroids. Yeah, it was a huge piece of crap. LB. It pretty much was. Yes, I did learn about streams. Some interesting design construction, okay. So this is not what I want. It's also not. So here, what was the sync time manager? No. Just start. Messing with duration and period. Oh, really? Hold on. Duration is including the time, and period is just for the date, right? Is that correct? Also, it's new for me, so it's kind of messed up in my head. Yeah. So we know it. High five. Oh, this is round 8, not 7, I think. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Okay, so it's 9. Whatever. So I want to start it, and Did I have like set time or something? There. Set stop duration. Okay, so you do that. It should be stop timer duration. Changes the setters and getters too, that's nice. If we start it before setting it, it should crash. So let's try that. Oh, this should be commented out. Not copy, run. Oh, I see. So 1 minute, 10 seconds. Yeah, and here we will put the duration, and we will put the duration inside of there. Okay. It did not bump out. Weird. After this, and we will say time manager does set timer duration, like so. For 10 seconds. Oh, I know what's happening. I did not start the timer in the thread. So go there. Start timer. Start time. Doesn't do anything, okay. So here it works. The fuck? What time is running through? The fuck? The timer again. How did I do it here? Here I have a this extends thread. This is the constructor. There you have run. Says something, output something, something else, and we run it here. So say start, that's it. So what the fuck? Okay, so I do here zero, and while the counter is plus smaller than 100, we will do something. So I'll try to run it again, and maybe if it counts to 100, then it will run the other thing. I should have used smaller numbers. 100 is too much. is okay. Okay, this is bad. How come it is locking? The fuck?
No, I don't know what the issue is. I think it might be on your side, but I'm not sure.
What? What kind of issues? You were talking to me? Or you just forgot that you are in chat with me? Oh, you went away. So right now, this problem, this is blocking that. It waits for this to execute that. So that means this thread cannot do anything else. Dividing. Develop an attack links. Oh well, I already have something in it. I have the GUI in it, and here so far it's just me playing around like how it could like look. So far I have like something without borders. I programmed that I can move it around like so. And now I want to put the timer functionality inside of it. So the answer is yes, I'm already doing that. Hope that answers your question. Currently, I have problem in the main. Okay, so what else should anyone use instead of swing? What are the alternatives? Okay, so if I do this, it should run, right? Oh, I started GUI. He backtracked a little. Good to know. Good to know. Yeah, I put it into start and this should be... I see. Run. Yep, this was it. Oracle will continue developing Swing and AVT across all supported releases as core Java ST technology. Where do you read that? Where do you get that from? The run. Date 2020. Okay. Oh, JavaFX. Java UI. Yeah, so maybe JavaFX could be like good alternative. Ready to run mobile first native applications and HTML5 JS web interfaces are increasingly prevalent.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, I can't hear you now. It's weird.
Yeah, I heard you, like you said maybe there is some problem on my side, and then you disconnected. So
Yeah, I don't know. I think it was on your side. I tried 2 different laptops and now I'm on the phone. So it didn't work on the laptops, but I don't know. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Oh yeah, I can hear you now. I don't know what's wrong though. Your volume is very low. Give me a moment.
Is it? Yeah, I don't plan to use this to like HTML rendering. That doesn't make sense. But you can do it with FX. Okay. That's good to know. That is good to know. But right now I'm really glad that my thread is running. So we have in place the functionality, the core functionality for the project. That's nice. It's pretty nice. Now, I want to do is to Hold on. See that? I have this and that. Oh, I see. I see why. If I run it, it will output only after each second. Fuck, it shouldn't.
Hello?
Hello.
Okay, I don't know what's happening. Your volume is very, very low. Oh, wait, I know. Hold on. Oh, now it should work, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, I can hear you now. It was set on like a non-speaker, That's why you're so low. Okay, so I don't know, what were you talking about earlier? Did you install Portal 2 or?
Could you repeat it once again? I had a music playing.
Yeah, I was saying, did you install Portal 2?
Oh, yes, it is installed right now on my
Okay,
machine.
well, I will see about buying it, maybe even buy Portal 1 if it comes in a pack or something.
Okay.
I think actually I have one or maybe even both because I bought some like Half-Life, like a package with a lot of Half-Life related games. So I think I got at least one of them for free when I did that.
Okay. Yeah, they usually they are. Actually, the Portal games that was a gift. Like one developer which I work with bought for me years ago.
I see. Okay. Yeah, Joshiki, right now I'm updating my main laptop, so that's why I had to restart earlier and leave the chat.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm also updating the other one, so.
Mm-hmm.
I still haven't set up WireGuard. I don't know. I said I'm gonna do that for days, and like tonight I need to look into companies. Like tomorrow I said I'm gonna create a company. So I have a few tasks, like for example, what to call the company and what else? What type of company. So I've been told by two people that a non-profit one will give us huge benefits. Also, there was one. Also, there was one guy that suggested to make the human level A company to be a religion, and that'll make it great. We don't have to pay taxes.
To make it what?
Like
Norwegian?
no. So just make the company about human level AI, make it be a religion.
Oh yeah, but depends when on the planet you are basing it, right?
Yeah, I am based in Romania, and like more than like the vast majority of people are like Orthodox Christians, at least in name. So if we make if we make it a religion, we're gonna get a lot of benefits. Like we don't have to pay taxes, etc. So it sounds like a smart idea, actually.
Yeah, do you have to pass some, I don't know, like is there some test you have to pass or like how to be like recognized as a religion?
Oh, I think even if there is a test, like religions are not very smart. So I think all we have to do is pretend to be dumb and like religious about human level AI, and they will think we're a religion. We'll be like, oh, human level AI is coming, beware, you know, and stuff like that. And they'll be like, these guys are religious. Let's let them not pay taxes, you know.
Yeah, well, I'm saying that because, for example, in US, you have some like criteria which you have to pass, and there are a few of those like you have to meet in person from time to time and have some rituals and so on. It's like really stupid, really those criterias. You can just work around them, but it might be different in your country, so that's why I'm asking.
Oh, I know very little about that. All I know is that religions do not pay taxes in Romania, and that's great. So let's make it a religion. I think that's a good idea. A religious organization. So, and the way we like pursue our religious practices is through like research and scientific method, you know. Um,
Hmm.
and we pray for the human level AI to, I don't know, what do we want from human level AI? Because we want stuff from it, right?
Hmm.
Um, hmm.
That would be, if you do that, make a video. I want to see it.
You talking to me or your viewers?
Yes, 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 to you. I mean, like the rituals or whatever, like that would be
Uh,
hilarious.
oh yeah. Well, I mean, yeah. I could make a video like that just to learn some video editing skills, you know, and like during my relaxing time daily, like instead of playing games, I could like do like 4 hours of like just recording myself in creating that video, you know, like role playing. I might even do that kind of video, you know, like with us talking about like talking to myself, but like in different voices and like putting some props on me, like a fake mustache or something, different clothes, you know,
Oh my
and
God.
pretend I'm different people, and then I like trying to evangelize myself to join the human level AI religion, you know.
Yeah,
Uh,
that's
I mean,
ridiculous.
I know it's ridiculous. That's exactly why it's hilarious, right?
Yeah.
Uh, so, uh, yeah. I mean, yeah, just having to not pay taxes is so powerful, right? We just make it a religion. That's that it. That's the problem, the solution.
Yeah, you will save a shit ton of money. Like, like
We
I don't
will,
know
yeah,
how the taxes are in Romania, but it's good chunk of the money
yeah, yeah.
in here.
I think it's definitely a few tens of percentages, probably more than 20%. And if you make like way more money, like a lot of money, like some very big companies, then you're gonna pay even more of it. I think like they really scam you badly if you make a lot of money, you know, like they really want all of your money if you make a lot, and it's like really fucking shit, you know, like why the fuck would you pay more percentages the more you make, you know, it's like they're fucking greedy, you know. uh so anyway, do you have something like a network attached storage or something like that?
No, I don't.
I'm looking like in the Windows settings there's a backup thingy which says backup your files to another drive and restore them if the originals are lost, damaged, or deleted. And something I should probably do, even though I have my files on so many different laptops that it's very hard to lose the important ones, and I also have non-cloud. But yeah,
My chat is suggesting to move your HQ to Ireland or some other place for better treatment.
better treatment. What do you mean by better? I mean, what do
I
they
don't
mean
know.
by better?
I don't know. What do you
I,
mean, Shabazz? Like, why it would be better in Ireland?
I mean, right now I don't have many possibilities to do stuff in Ireland because I moved to Romania, and I would have to move back to Ireland, but I won't move because I'm staying with my parents. So
Hmm,
I
I see.
have very little reason to do that, unless it's actually a very good idea. And then
He says taxes, but I don't know. Yeah.
oh yeah, in Ireland, Ireland has very low taxes. That's why so many companies are moving to Ireland. Tech companies.
Oh,
They
I
have
see.
they they have like this insanely low taxes compared to all other European countries in the area, like UK, France, Spain, etc.
Uh-huh.
Even Germany. So that's why there's so many tech companies. Like it's like that joke. Like it's real estate. That's what tech companies
Yeah,
see
yeah.
when they look at our land. It's real estate.
Huh, that's weird. I thought the place where to go for low taxes is Luxembourg, but apparently the time changed.
It's possible that it's Luxembourg also, but I know for sure that Ireland is many percentages lower than all the other ones. Yeah, substantially lower. Uh,
Yeah, it changes.
So what do you feel like doing? Like, are you okay with playing Portal? I'm really excited about playing Portal with you. So,
Yeah,
uh,
yeah, let's do Portal. I'm okay with the Portal. I
cool.
lately I like cooperational games. It's
Yeah.
usually because um at least my friends, like it's really really easy for me to beat them in a video games, like any kind of video games, which is
Mhm.
why I don't have any friends anymore.
Well, okay. Well. Let's see about that.
So I
Wanna
like
what? Wanna
I
play some Risk? Because I'm 100% sure that in Risk, the only thing that's gonna save is luck. Like 100% certain.
yeah, that's
So wanna play some? What?
so far the scores are much in my favor. Yeah,
Are
but
they?
you know,
I don't know because
oh
you're very
yes,
lucky.
yes, yes, yes. So far, yes. You won
What's
one game and
what?
I won the other one, except for the one when the German guy was beating the AI for like 3 hours.
Mhm. Well, it's do you know the law of large numbers? The law of large numbers means that the more trials you have, the
Yeah,
less likely it's gonna be that they're gonna be extreme. So
yeah,
right now we only have very few games played, and you got
yeah.
very very lucky.
Hmm.
But the way you play, like decent, but like uh yeah, let's just say you're decent. I'm not gonna say anything more. Let's just see. You're gonna see that the law of the large numbers will come in, and you'll see. I'll see. Maybe you won't want to play with me anymore if you're like your friends. You'll be
Yeah.
like, "Oh no, he's beating me. I don't want to play anymore." You know?
Well, the thing
Uh,
is, like, I had just one friend which kind of like liked
yeah.
to.
Hmm.
He didn't run away when I start like, like play like for real with him.
Hmm.
And I remember like he was getting eventually like good, like and it was more and more difficult for me to beat him in some games.
And
But
What games were you
oh,
playing with?
it was Eggnog.
Let
That
me Google
that's
that.
that is very good game.
E- Eggnog or eggnog?
I have to Google it myself. I don't. Um,
Okay. I think if I search for a Steam version of it, I'll find it. Eggnog Incorporated by Steam. Eggnog Incorporated on Steam. Is is
yeah,
that it?
it is AGGNOGG plus.
Okay.
That's like
So is this like versus or like how does it
yes,
work?
yes, it versus.
And what do you have to do in it?
Hmm. So you always fight on a screen, right? Did you Google it?
Okay.
Do you have a picture in front of you?
Yeah, I have like the Steam page. I'm looking at the images, I guess.
Oh, it is on
Yeah.
Steam too? No, it's not in the Steam. It was like no.
I see pictures or cardboard thingies. Uh, it looks like I have no idea what it's about. It's like a cooking game or something?
Something like, can you repeat that?
It looks like some kind of a cooking game.
No, not at all. You have a swords and
Okay.
you are killing the other guy.
Okay, so it's not this game then. No, it's not this game. So it's not Eggnog Incorporated. Okay. Eggnog. You said it's with swords
Yeah.
or what? Okay, swords. Let's see. Eggnog swords.
Hold on, I will.
Eggnog Sword of the
Boom,
Stars.
boom, boom. How can I create
Eggnog.
channel, text channel?
Eggnog. Yeah, I don't know. Eggnog gameplay. Gameplay.
I pasted the link.
Oh, I found it. I found it.
Yeah.
Is it a platformer?
Uh,
Yeah, I see two.
Well,
I see two.
in a sense, yes.
I see two guys with swords and like
Yes.
they're really belly drawn, like very old style.
Yes. Yes, that's
like
it.
worse than Mario, like really low quality. Okay, cool. Yeah,
It's a
I'll
very
check it
good
out.
game, and it works like this. You have like these screens, right? And if you kill the other guy, you can proceed to the next screen to the left if you are the right player. On you're basically trying to reach the left side if you are the guy who starts on the right, or you want to reach the right side if you are on the left. And you can go to the next screen only if you kill the other guy. And on each each time someone else kills the other guy, it changes the direction in which you both can go, right? So you have to constantly killing each other to proceed to the left or right. That's it's really good game, really good game.
Yeah,
There
let
is
me try it.
actually commercial version which precedes this one. And this one is much better than the original, and it's for free, which is like awesome.
What is it called? What is it called?
The original, I don't even
No,
know.
not the original. The one that said it's better and free that we could play.
Well,
Because I have one in front of me
I
already.
pasted in the voice channel in my Discord. I created text channel in the voice channels, and I pasted the link inside of there. And that's the game I'm still talking about.
Oh, I see. It's the one I was looking at right now. Okay, cool. I'll download it. Wanna play it maybe for a bit before we try Portal? Sounds like fun.
Yeah, I mean,
I mean,
this was hot seat like for people playing not online.
oh,
The
okay.
last time I checked, maybe they changed it. I don't know. But it looks like they did add some things in. So maybe there's a internet multiplayer too, but I don't know.
Okay. Does it have like a single player so I can give it a try just to see how it is?
I'm not sure. Maybe there was a bot. If there was a like bot player, I think he was like fairly like easy to beat, if I remember correctly. The main fun was like playing against the. You know what? I'm not sure if there. Maybe it was, but yeah, and it has only like few kilobytes, because it was actually programmed by some programmer like who know what he's doing, not someone who's trying to make a games inside of Game Maker or another, like this tool.
Hello and welcome to Andrew and Ed Play.
Very, very good game, really.
So, to be coming up is what you start without mouse, pointing down.
Yeah, I'm having a look a bit at Eggnog Plus on YouTube. Like I want to see two people playing. See how it
okay, so there's
it's
a bunch
like,
of screens in whoa!
Yeah.
And you've got to kind of push your way to one end, and they've got to push their way to the other. And this is then. Once you get to the end, yeah, you super drown, and you're the winner. And you kill yourself. And
It seems lucky in the YouTube video.
But you have to kill yourself in the water.
It's also a little bit weird because your main goal is to run till to the end and then commit suicide there.
Okay, that's a bit of a spoiler, I guess.
Oh well, yes and no. Hello, warrior. How are you? Yeah, I'll finish this round of the coding. I have like 3 minutes to go. Okay. I'm okay. I have a I have almost I'm close to completing another application of mine. This is a stopwatch. Currently, this is like the output to the console, but I have prepared the GUI, which is in a rough shape right now. Just to show you, I have this thingy. You can drag it around. I lock the resize so it doesn't, like fuck things up. Yep. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, currently there is 4 euros. And now it runs indefinitely, which is not what I intended to do. Here we will have the check time. Check. And that was so here I want to compare the.
Hello?
Hello.
Okay, now I'm on the tablet. I don't know what the fuck is happening because I couldn't hear you on the phone anymore.
Well, you're on the tablet. That's what's happening.
Earlier, the tablet and the other laptop was not working, and now the phone is no longer working. It's like completely reversed.
And could it be troublesome because you have this application running on multiple devices that they are fighting over the control?
I kind of doubt it. I think they would find a bug like this. So
Maybe it's feature. What will we do here? How can I? Fair, so compared to yeah, what was that? Days dot timer duration. Here we go. Compares this duration to the specified duration. Negative slash positive if it's greater. Okay, greater equal. Go. I'll do this dot set time. Yes, it works. It works. Wow. And this concludes this this.